Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Epson XP 21 and 50, and now I can show you how to perform the black and white copy on this device. Firstly, you should locate the document you want to copy here on the scanner glass. Wait a while. Then just click on this button. This is the black and white copy, this is the colored copy. So click on this button to perform the black and white copy. As you can see, power button is blinking right now, so it means that our printer is working. So that's it. Unfortunately, my printer doesn't work, so I have no working print heads inside. But if your printer is working, if your printer in good condition, so in this way you can perform the copies. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye.